The tech world is buzzing with anticipation over the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's next flagship smartphone. While the exact release date is still up in the air, numerous leaks and rumors are offering a glimpse into what we can expect from this highly anticipated device. So let's dive into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and why it could be a game changer in the world of smartphones. First up, let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be taking on a fresh new look. Unlike its predecessor, it's set to feature a more compact design with rounded corners, making it a bit more comfortable to hold. But here's the kicker. The device could still manage to offer a bigger display, despite a smaller overall size. That's right, Samsung might have found a way to balance sleekness with screen real estate. The beloved S Pen is also expected to stick around, making it a must-have for productivity enthusiasts and creative users. This combination of a more ergonomic build with a larger screen would be a huge win, giving users more comfort without compromising on viewing experience. Speaking of that screen, Samsung's displays have always been top-notch, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra looks like it's ready to up the game even further. Rumor has it the phone will sport a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution, giving users vibrant colors and crisp images. The LTPO, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, technology is known for its ability to provide both high refresh rates and energy efficiency, which means smoother scrolling and potentially better battery life. The screen is also rumored to come with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth transitions while navigating the phone or gaming. Add to that improved brightness compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it should be an absolute joy to use, even under bright sunlight. Now let's talk performance. If the rumors hold true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This chip is expected to deliver faster performance across the board, from multitasking to gaming to handling advanced artificial intelligence features. And here's something different. All versions of the Galaxy S25 Ultra might exclusively use Qualcomm chips this time around, breaking away from Samsung's previous practice of offering different processors in different regions. That means consistent performance worldwide. On top of that, the phone could come with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, offering plenty of room for all your apps, photos, videos, and everything in between. This hardware combination is set to deliver some of the fastest and smoothest performance we've ever seen on a Samsung device. Samsung has always been known for its camera innovations, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be no different. The main camera is rumored to feature a whopping 200-megapixel sensor capable of capturing incredible detail, especially in low-light conditions. This could mean stunning night shots, vibrant portraits, and crystal-clear landscapes. But that's not all. The camera setup is also expected to include three 50-megapixel lenses. One of these lenses will likely offer 3x optical zoom, another will feature a 5x periscope zoom for those long-distance shots, and the third will be dedicated to ultra-wide shot. So when can we get our hands on this exciting new flagship? While nothing is set in stone, Samsung usually releases its S-series smartphones early in the year. Based on past patterns, many are predicting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be launched in January 2025. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Until next time, upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.